And
Okay, you choose the Lamborghini, the orange one.
yeah,
Okay.
that I am driving in the Lamborghini.
Okay, are you ready to read?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, now start read.
Old Mrs. Sloan.
Okay, very good.
Oh.
First, I move to boxes. Okay, next, continue.
Mrs. Sloan
Okay.
was all
Not Mrs.
alone.
Again.
Old Mrs. Sloan was all alone in her home.
Okay, very good. Another two boxes. Okay, Qaireen, please read.
It was cold in a morning.
Okay, again, you tertinggal ni.
It,
It was
it,
a cold
it-
morning.
it was a cold morning.
Okay, very good. Okay, two more boxes. Okay, last night it snowed.
Last night it snowed.
Okay, very good. Okay, another two boxes. Okay, okay, continue read.
Old Mrs. Sloan got up and put on her robe.
Okay, very good. Okay. Okay,
It was
another
cold.
two boxes. Okay. Okay, continue read.
Oh no, a
Okay.
roach.
Baca semula.
Shriek.
Shriek.
Shriek. Oh no, a roach. A
A
roach.
roach. A roach. Qaireen, a roach.
Oh no, a roach.
Okay.
Roach.
Okay,
It was cold in
another
the
two
morning.
boxes. Okay. Okay, Qaireen, continue to read.
Mrs. Sloan groans. I hate roaches.
Mr. Sloan groaned, I hate roaches. Okay, very
I hate-
good. Okay, now you reach the finish line. Okay, very good.